Hey buds. So it was while we were living in the far north that I started to get into and seriously doing some foraging. And we were really lucky that in the last couple months we've been able to revisit our old home and some of my old plant friends, including these. These are the low bush cranberries or lingonberries. So this berry has dozens of common names, but it is a bright red berry that grows low to the ground and has a tart flavor. So today we're going to make a spicy cranberry or lingonberry vinaigrette. And we're going to start with 1/3 cup of our berries. We're going to add in 1 chopped hot pepper. And then I would use a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, but I only have red wine vinegar today, so we are going to instead add a wee bit of honey to sweeten it up. So I'm going to use my little dipper, which I am not very good at. If anybody has pro tips on how to better use this, let me know. It is cute though, isn't it? All right, there's a scooch. And we're also going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of honey mustard, and you could use Dijon mustard instead if you want. Now we are going to blend it up for a minute or until it's looking nice and smooth, and then add in 1/3 cup of oil through the lid in a steady stream. Scrape it down as needed. Come together nice though. There we have it. And so to put together our salad, sweet and spicy and fresh, we're gonna add in 4 cups of washed greens, whatever you like. I had a little garden cucumber, so I'm gonna put that in there, but it's optional. A cup of blueberries, obviously wild is best, but hey, from the store works too. And 1/3 cup of feta cheese. And a 1/2 cup of your favorite toasted nuts. And we're just going to gently toss that together. Go. And then drizzle in some of our vinaigrette. All right, so then we dish up. Garnish as desired, and enjoy.